Ever found yourself scrambling at the end of a business trip, a shoebox full of crumpled receipts, and the looming dread of expense reports? Or maybe you're a freelancer, meticulously tracking every coffee meeting and software subscription, only to realize you've missed a crucial deduction. What if I told you there's a way to ditch the paper, streamline the process, and reclaim your valuable time? That's the promise of modern expense management, and a big part of that promise often comes down to accessibility. We live in a mobile-first world, right? We manage our banks, our social lives, even our smart homes from the palm of our hand. So, it's only natural to wonder if our expense tracking can keep up. More specifically, a question I hear a lot is, does Expensify have a mobile app? And the answer, in short, is a resounding yes. Expensify isn't just about a desktop interface, it's designed with mobility at its core. Think about it. When do you incur expenses? On the go, while you're traveling, at a restaurant, or at a client meeting. You're not usually sitting at your desk, scanner at the ready. That's precisely why Expensify's mobile app is such a game changer. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, meaning whether you're an iPhone loyalist or an Android enthusiast, you're covered. And it's not just a stripped-down version of the desktop experience, it's a fully functional, incredibly powerful tool that brings the bulk of Expensify's features directly to your pocket. Let's dive into some of the key functionalities you get with the Expensify mobile app. First and foremost, and perhaps the most iconic feature, is Smart Scan. Imagine this, you've just paid for a business lunch. Instead of stuffing the receipt into your wallet, you pull out your phone, open the Expensify app, snap a picture, and boom. Smart Scan reads the vendor, date, and amount, automatically creating an expense entry. No manual typing, no deciphering faded ink, just a quick snap and you're done. This feature alone saves countless hours and prevents those frustrating lost receipt moments. Beyond Smart Scan, the app allows you to categorize expenses on the fly, add notes, attach custom tags, and even assign them to specific projects or clients. This is crucial for accurate accounting and ensuring you're allocating costs correctly. Need to track mileage? The app has built-in GPS mileage tracking, so you can automatically log your drives for business purposes without needing a separate app or manual calculations. And it's not just about tracking. The Expensify mobile app also lets you submit expense reports directly from your phone. Once you've added all your expenses, you can review them, group them into a report, and send it off for approval with just a few taps. For approvers, the app provides a seamless way to review and approve reports from anywhere, eliminating bottlenecks and speeding up reimbursement times. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to make expense management as painless as possible. Notifications keep you updated on the status of your reports, and you can even chat with your team or approver directly within the app. It truly creates a connected ecosystem for all your expense needs. So, to reiterate, yes, Expensify absolutely has a mobile app, and it's a powerhouse. It transforms what was once a tedious, paper-heavy chore into a streamlined, mobile-first experience. It empowers you to manage your expenses in real time, preventing end-of-month panic and ensuring you never miss a beat. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.